In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change your laces from this straight out the box to this loosely laced on your Asics GT-2160. So we're going to be lacing the right shoe. We've got the left shoe here so we can see what we're aiming towards. And we're going to start by taking the tongue and pushing it down so you can get to this area here. So we're going to start lacing with the first hole on the outside of the shoe. Just bring your lace a little way up into the shoe. And then when you take your lace across, run it between your finger and thumb and it will just flatten out the lace a little bit more. And then put the end of the lace down through that first hole on the inside of the shoe. Again, just bring it up a little way. And then to make sure your laces are the same length on both sides, ends together and pull up, just like that. So now that we've got that first part done, I'm going to bulk out the shoes with a pair of socks. I've already put some socks into the toe cap as well, and that's going to make your shoe feel like your foot's inside it, and it's going to help you to get those broad, loose laces as well. Just going to loosen it off a little bit more. So we're going to take that outside lace first. We're going to bring it across to the second hole on the inside. So flattening out your lace as much as possible, and then if you catch your lace on your finger, it can help you to get rid of any twists that might come up in the lace. So I'm just going to keep them nice and relaxed, nice and loose. And then the inside lace is going to come across and down through that second hole on the outside. And I'm just going to stop for a bit and just check that they're not getting too loose. So they are slightly loose. I'm just going to bring them in a little bit, smarten them up. And then we're going to take that outside lace across to the third hole on the inside, flattening out the lace as you go. And the inside lace comes across to the third hole on the outside. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the fourth hole on the inside. And the inside lace comes across to the fourth hole on the outside. And the inside lace comes across to the fifth hole on the inside. Inside lace comes across to the fifth hole on the outside. And then we're coming up to where we've got the hoop on the tongue. So we're going to put the outside lace through the hoop. So just run it through, keeping your lace nice and flat. Mine's twisted over, so I'm just going to pull it back again. And then we're going to take it down through that top hole. And the inside lace is going to come through the hoop, sitting it on top of the lace that's already in there. And again, just making sure it comes down into the hoop, nice and flat, like that, and sits on top of that lace that's there. And then bring it down through that last hole on the outside of the shoe, like that. And then I'm just going to check all the laces are crossed over. I'm just going to push the sock down a little bit as well, just to widen out that shoe as much as possible. And then we're going to take that outside lace and we're going to bring it out through that side hole there. So keeping it flat, just bring it out enough to match your other shoe that you've already done, your left shoe. And then we're going to take the other end and bring it out through that top hole there, like that. And then that gives us two loops. Now if you have got long laces and you have to bring your laces in a little bit more because maybe your feet are a little bit narrow, it doesn't matter how long these laces get, these loops get, because you can put them behind the tongue and they're soft enough to wear on top of your foot without being a problem. So there you've got your GT-2160 loosely laced. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Asics GT-2160 loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.